In 2025, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is more than just a self-publishing platform. It's a gateway to building a digital asset that can generate income for years to come. Whether you're a passionate writer, an expert in your field, a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone exploring online income streams, KDP provides a low-risk, high-potential opportunity to publish your knowledge, creativity, or story and earn from it directly. The beauty of KDP lies in its simplicity and accessibility. There are no printing costs, no need for inventory, and no reliance on publishers or agents. You can upload a manuscript today, and within days, your book is available to millions of readers worldwide on Amazon's marketplace. The success with KDP in 2025 isn't just about hitting publish. The landscape has matured, competition has increased, and readers are more discerning. That means quality matters both in your content and in your presentation. Start by understanding your audience. Who are you writing for? What problems are they facing? What stories or insights will resonate with them? Then comes crafting your manuscript. While AI tools can help with research, outlining, or even drafting, originality, voice, and value are what truly stand out in the market. Once your content is written and edited either by yourself or with the help of freelancers, formatting becomes crucial. Readers expect clean, readable ebooks that flow naturally across devices. Kindle Create, a free tool from Amazon, makes this easier than ever, helping you format for Kindle, paperback, or even hardcover versions. A strong, visually appealing cover is also critical. Studies show that your book's cover plays a significant role in whether a potential reader clicks or scrolls past. Tools like Canva, BookBolt, or hiring a professional designer can ensure your cover grabs attention and fits your genre. Now, let's talk about publishing strategy. You'll set your pricing, choose between 35% or 70% royalty rates, and decide whether to enroll in KDP Select. Enrolling in Select gives your book additional visibility through Kindle Unlimited, where you're paid per page read, and through Amazon's promotional tools. However, it also requires you to publish exclusively on Amazon for at least 90 days. This is a strategic decision based on your marketing goals and distribution plans. Once your book is live, marketing is key. Many authors make the mistake of thinking their job ends at publishing. In reality, that's just the beginning. Learn how to use Amazon's keyword and category system to your advantage. Conduct research on what readers are already searching for. Use long-tail keywords in your title, subtitle, and back-end metadata. Consider running Amazon ads with small daily budgets to test performance and boost early visibility. Build an email list, create social media pages, and even launch a basic author website to grow your personal brand. One of the most powerful strategies in 2025 is publishing multiple books around a specific niche. This creates a catalog effect where one book helps sell the others. Some authors focus on fiction series, while others build authority in a specific nonfiction space like finance, health, productivity, or education. Low content and medium publishing such as journals, planners, workbooks, or activity books are still profitable if approached with quality and niche focus.